Hello, I am Muhammad Firdaus Solihin, a student at Bina Sarana Informatika University with ID number 9025202035, and my class is 92C13. Today, I will present material about a computer, hardware, and software. My aim in giving this presentation is to fulfill the final assignment of the English course. If there are any spelling error, I'm sorry because I'm still in the learning process. The first one, I will present about a computer. And what's the computer? Computer is an electronic device that receives data, process it based on the instruction we give it, and then products usable information. Think of a computer like a restaurant. A restaurant have a kitchen for the cooks, a rice is follow, and delicious meal for the server to customer. In the world of the computer, this collaboration is carried out by two main components. First one is hardware, and the second and software. About computer, the first of the word computer was recorded in 16013, referring to a person who carried out calculation or computation, and the word continued with the same meaning until the middle of the 20th century. A computer is a general purpose device that can be programmed to carry out a finite set of arithmetic or logical operation. Since a sequence of operations can be readily changed, the computer can solve more than one kind of problem. And the hardware this computer hardware is all the physical component of a computer that can be seen, touch, and touch which work together to process data. Functionally, hardware is divided into four main categories: input device, such a keyboard and mic, which function to enter data; processing device, which are the brain of the computer; output device, such as monitor and printer, to display process result; and storage device. The most crucial component in the system are the CPU, or central processing unit, which executes instructions; RAM, as temporary storage memory; and the motherboard, which function as the main circuit board that connect all these components so they can communicate with each other. And software also. In contrast to hardware, which is a physical, software is a collection of instruction data or programs that are used to operate a computer that execute specific tasks. With, Without software, a computer is just a lifeless collection of metal and plastic. Broadly speaking, software is divided into their main categories. One, system software. System software is the foundation that manage all hardware resources and provides a platform for other software. uh, example operating system or US, for example, as a Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS. The US is responsible for managing memory, processor, and storage device. The driver, a small program that allow hardware as such a printer or graphic card to communicate with the operating system. And activities program for maintain such as antivirus or disk cleaner. Uh, two, and sorry, I'm sorry. Second, uh, application software. Application software, this is what users use most often to complete certain work to entertainment, productivity, example Microsoft Office, Word or Excel, Google Workspace, browser, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, design and media, Adobe Photoshop, sorry, uh, VLC media player, and communication WhatsApp and Zoom. And third, programming software. Programming software, it is tools used by developers to read, test, and develop other application. Example are compilers, debuggers, and integrated development environment, uh, ideas such Visual Studio Code. Thank you. That is probably all the material I can provide. If there are any pronunciation mistakes, please forgive me because I'm still in learning. Thank you.